Good afternoon, this is MetLoop meteorologist Tyler Hextall with today's afternoon update. We are currently tracking a few disturbances across the country, and the first of which are the remnants of Hurricane Matthew. The remnants of Hurricane Matthew are currently well offshore and are not impacting most portions of the U.S. And this is good news for cleanup and recovery efforts from Florida all the way up towards southeast Virginia, where many places received some significant wind damage and also excessive rainfall. Parts of South Carolina and North Carolina received 10 to even greater than 15 inches of rainfall in some areas. Now, some moisture from Matthew is currently extending across eastern New England, but as we see this dry air begin to build in, kind of erode this area of rainfall, we'll begin to see this rain in. Most places will receive under about an inch of rain today, so we're not expecting many flooding issues across portions of eastern New England. And also over the next few days, we will begin to see Matthew continue on a northeasterly path, which is good news because as it moves over colder water, it will begin to weaken. And our second disturbance is currently centered in southern Colorado. This disturbance is also impacting portions of New Mexico right now, where under the warmer air mass and colder temperatures aloft, it has triggered some thunderstorm activity. Now, we are watching these storms this afternoon, as some of them are producing some large hail and damaging winds. But the good news is that as we lose some of the daytime heating, they will begin to weaken as they move east into portions of eastern Texas overnight. And our final disturbance across the northwest is bringing an elongated cold front through the region. Along this front is an area of rainfall and also some mountain snowfall extending from western Oregon and Washington all the way into northwest Montana. Now, as we head over the next several hours, we'll begin to see this rain continue to move through these areas, with many places receiving up to about a half inch to 1 inch of rain, mainly east of the Cascades. And then on the other side of the Cascades, most places will receive under about a quarter of an inch. However, disturbance of loft kind of embedded in this system will be triggering some colder temperatures for the mountain regions, which will help transition some of this rainfall over to snowfall across portions of northwest Montana. And this will be a significant snowfall event for many places, as it will be their first real snow of the season. So watch out for some slippery roadways, especially for your morning commute tomorrow across northwest Montana. And also for you skiers, this will be some good news if you are planning on heading to Glacier National Park, as there will be quite a bit of snow coming out of this. Now, across the rest of the country, we are seeing pretty good large area of high pressure dominating most places across the eastern U.S. It is bringing some fall-like temperatures and also just some beautiful blue skies. And much of this will continue through tomorrow as well. So I would just enjoy this October fall-like weather while you can before old man winter begins to come in. And I'm Tyler Hextall with today's afternoon update, and I hope you have a great day.